challenge number 4. Okay, so this is pretty simple. All you need is any piece of paper and any type of pen or pens or crayons or whatever you like. All you're going to do is you're going to take a marker or a pen, get a plain piece of paper, and you're going to draw a scribble. Here's my scribble. And next you're going to make a list of animals. So I chose dragon. It could be mysterious animals. They don't have to be real animals. You could put down unicorn. Put down whatever you want. It could be a theme. It could be vegetables. It could be whatever you want. It could be outer space. It could be anything you like, okay? You get the picture. Anyways, so I chose dragon. To turn my squiggle, which looked like this, into a dragon. And then as I was making it, I kind of looked at it and I was like, this doesn't look just like a dragon. It kind of looks like a dragonfish. If this doesn't work and you just want to turn your squiggle into anything you want, do that. All right. Thanks for tuning in to challenge number 4, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Feeling stuck at home, wondering what to do? Let spontaneous creations inspire you. Use your mind and imagination, sprinkle in some fun, spontaneous creation.